guys, how you doing? This is Jim Fox, and this video is to answer a lot of questions that people ask me all over the internet, all over the world. They say, Jim, what do you do? We see you traveling all over the world. It doesn't look like you work hard. And what are you doing to make money? So I want to explain this, okay? So I want you to follow very closely. Right now, I am in a tropical paradise. I am on the Caribbean Ocean in South America. It is absolutely beautiful here. And I run 3 online businesses, okay? And while I'm running these businesses, I travel the world. So if you want to travel the world, if you want to make money on the internet, selling products and services, and travel the world, I have the system. I've been doing this for about 2.5 years. And what happened was I left America and I went over to Asia, and somebody taught me how to sell products on Amazon.com, and that's what I do. So what I do is I run ads all over the internet, on Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, Snapchat, Tinder, Uber. I run them all over the place. Very popular websites, I put what's called banner ads. And when people click on the banner ad, they will go to Amazon and they'll buy a pair of glasses, or they'll buy a watch or clothes or shoes or anything, right? You can even buy real estate on Amazon now. It's amazing. So what happens is, when they go buy the product, Amazon tracks my code, and what they do is they pay me a commission. Now, how much do they pay me? They pay me about 10%. It's not a lot. However, if you sell a pair of sunglasses for $100 on Amazon, or a watch, or shoes, or clothes for $100, and Amazon pays you 10%, you're making $10. What I know how to do, I'm an expert at showing you how to get those sales at 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 sales in a day, in a week, in a month. Does that make sense? So if you're making $10,000 on one sale, Amazon pays you that money, $10. What if you get 1,000 people in 1 week to buy those sunglasses, or that watch, or that shirt, or those shoes, or makeup, or perfume, or it could be anything. You can even buy travel. You can buy plane tickets. You can buy hotels. You can buy anything on Amazon. So what's $10 times 1,000 sales? That's a lot of money, guys. That's $10,000. Now, what if I could show you how to do that every month minimum on one product, one pair of sunglasses, or one watch? That's what I'm an expert at. And that's how I'm able to travel the world whenever I want and go anywhere I want at any time. So if I can show you how to sell products on Amazon, I actually have a free training. Right below this video, there's going to be a little thing that pops up, and I want you to click on it. What happens is you're going to go watch a webinar. For 20 minutes, I teach you how to do it for free. I actually give this to you for free. Follow the steps, okay? It's a 5-step system. You send people to Amazon. They buy products, okay? All kinds of stuff. There's thousands and there's over 30,000 products, and you get paid. It's as simple as that, but you need a system. Now, the second thing I want to teach you, and I'm just going to walk over here. You can follow me, okay? I want you to see this tropical paradise. I'm living right on the beach, and this morning I probably worked for about 4 hours today, posting ads, driving people to Amazon to go buy stuff, glasses, watches, clothes, shoes, vacations, wave runners. You can buy anything, right? And what happens is you get paid that commission. Now, here's the crazy thing. Listen to this. What if I could show you how to do this? When people see that you're making money on the internet, they ask, what are you doing? And then we get on the phone with them and we put them in the business, which means I'm an online consultant. I'm a consultant. I own a consulting company. So what I do is I put people into business every day, copying my system, and you go make your fortune. You can make hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. Guys, we have people making over $1 million a year just selling products on Amazon. But we also have people making $1 million a year in the online internet consulting business. It's huge, because just like you, if you're watching this video, you probably don't know how to do this. This is how I travel the world literally for free. Let me say that again. I travel the world for free. My plane tickets, my hotels, everything, my travel, everything is paid by my online business. So if I'm making $20,000 in a week, do you think I can travel wherever I want? The answer is yes. That's what I want to show you how to do. So I want you to click the button up here, subscribe to my channel, or click the button down here, and you can go watch this free training. It's 20 minutes. It's short. It's only 20 minutes, okay? And I will show you how to do this. Do what? A lot of people say, Jim, is this real? I'm real. I'm real. I can show you. I got my little assistant here. She's shooting a video. Say, hola, right? These people are real. I am real. I am talking to you right now, and I want to teach you how to do this. So click the button below over here or somewhere. It's a little yellow button that says, go watch my free training. Click here, free webinar, whatever. Go watch that. Set up a call. I'll get you on the phone, and I'll put you in business in one day on one phone call. Selling products on Amazon and the online consulting business. It's huge, guys. Huge. I have 30, 40, 50 people contacting me every day, and I put about 7 to 10 people into business every day. Seriously. And I will show you the proof. The numbers are there. So if you want to make an extra 10, 20, 30,000 a month, click the button here, subscribe to my channel here somewhere around here, and I would love to show you how to travel for free. I travel for free. I'll show you how to do the same thing. I don't care if you're a doctor, a lawyer. I don't care if you're a multimillionaire. If you're not making money on the internet, you're an idiot. You're a fool. Don't be a fool. Click that button, watch my video. I'll show you how to do this for free, and I won't try and sell you anything. I promise. I want to help people do this, all right? Okay, I'll see you soon.